Hi, seventh graders. I want to go over some information about your final exam so that you know what to expect next week. The first thing you need to know is when your exam is going to be. Your math final exam is on Friday, May 15th, and the link is going to be posted to eClass at 8 a.m. You are going to have 2 hours to complete the exam. Because your exam for math is going to be on eClass, it will time you out after 2 hours. So once you start your test, you need to make sure that you have time available to finish because you will not be able to come back to it. The exam is going to consist of 5 open-ended questions. You are going to have to answer each question completely and explain your answers. And when we say completely, some of your test questions will have multiple parts. You need to make sure that you answer each part to every question. And to receive full credit, you are going to have to make sure that you explain every answer. So for expectations while you're taking your test, you need to make sure that you are working alone. You are going to write an honor statement to show your commitment to following the rules and the expectations for Coleman. And you're going to complete that final exam without any help. So that means without help from a friend, a parent, a tutor, a sibling, anything. And also you need to make sure that you are not helping others because helping others is also cheating. So please make sure you are completing this on your own. You are not helping others and that you get this done within the 2 hour time frame. Some tips for testing. You will want to sit in a quiet area that is free from interruptions. And before you get started, make sure that you communicate with your family so that they know that you are taking a final exam and they know not to interrupt you. Make sure that you have a pencil, paper, and calculator available. I know that most of you have a calculator. However, if for some reason you don't have your calculator, maybe you left it at school or you have lost it at some point, remember that you can always use the Desmos calculator online. Most importantly, make sure that you try your best. Again, answer every single question completely and explain all of your answers. The advantage for your final exam is that you are going to be home and you have notes available to you. So it's an open note test. However, if you don't explain every answer fully, then you will not receive full credit. The topics that are going to be covered on your test include systems of equations, scatter plots and lines of best fit, and also correlation for scatter plots, and two-way tables. For the week before testing, so May 11th through 14th, your teachers will have review activities available for you on eClass, as well as maybe video reviews to make sure that you are ready for your test. Make sure you take advantage of all of those opportunities so that you are well prepared. Your final exam is worth 10% of your grade, so you want to make sure that you know all of these topics. Most importantly, remember you are prepared for this test. Please do not stress out. Take your time and do your best, and you are all going to do well. Good luck.